Expert marketer.
Personal finance.
Expert in psychology.
To fly.
Teleportation.
Power to heal.
Only focus on what I can control.
I like Asia. Just to treat others how you would like to be treated.
You should work at Lyft.
Fail while you're young. Fail forward.
My dad told me you always be the first to say I'm sorry. Take accountability.
Everyone says life is short and it can be kind of anxiety inducing, and it's true, but also life is long and life gives us a lot of second chances, and it's about becoming, not achieving.
Go with the flow.
Planner. Every detail.
Planner.
In between.
I strive to be a planner, but I end up being go with the flow.
Squid.
Live octopus.
Clams. I had steamas for the first time last month, and that was very unusual to me.
A grizzly bear or something.
Giraffe.
I think a lion, because like lions are the king.
Zombie apocalypse, I guess. I'll just say that.
I once had a dream that I could fly, but only by running really fast. Like if I ran super quickly, I would start to lift off, and then I turned out I was like running in my sleep in my bed. I'd say it's probably up there.
I just keep going back to my elementary school playground. But like weird things are happening.
Appropriate for work. The flaming poop bag trick. I could come up with another one if you want. But... Tacos.
Chipotle.
Christmas.
Christmas.
Halloween.
Christmas or 4th of July.
Probably something to do with Taylor Swift. My voice kind of goes along with her style. So.
I'm gonna go Take on Me.
Trap Queen by Betty Wap.
Anything One Direction or 2000s R&B.
Just do it.
Be selfish if it's good for you.
Honestly, there's too many to count.
It's not about how many times you fall, it's about how many times you get back up.
Chewing, like the sound of chewing.
When the room is too cold.
Wet socks.
People chewing with their mouth open, I guess.
I play hockey, so ice skating is kind of, I guess, a hidden talent of mine.
I used to play saxophone in middle school, and I don't anymore, but
I can say the ABCs backwards.
please do so.
Please do so.
Okay. ZYXWVUT SRQPONM LKJ IHG FED CBA.
I can run really fast.
Yeah, because I literally couldn't tell you.
Night.
Morning person.
Used to be night, becoming morning.
Dog.
Dogs.
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 Both.
Introvert.
Introvert.
Extrovert.
Ambivert.
Tea.
Tea.
Coffee.
Tea.
Summer.
Winter.
Fall.
Fall.
TV show.
Pasta?
Mexican.
My mom's.
Del Taco Churros.
Drive More Business by Jen and Kelsey Outram. Rock and roll.
Anything except EDM.
I really like rock, metal, not like super heavy, but
Water.
it's really sad to say, but Dr. Pepper.
Sunshine.
Spotify.
Cookies and cream.
Classic strawberry.
Coffee.
Anything chocolate or cookies and cream.
Chocolate chip cookie dough. Bluebell.
Just relaxing with my wife.
Meeting my coworkers for the first time. Going to Nashville.
Go to Europe.
Go to Disneyland Tokyo.
I want to watch my favorite movie of all time with all of my friends, like rent out a theater and just have everybody that I love there.
I want to go to a rodeo in Texas.
Kelsey, actually.
Movies.
Spider-Man.
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 Batman.
Andrew Garfield.
Tobey Maguire.
Tobey Maguire.
Andrew Garfield.
Christian Bale.
Exercising.
Anything outside.
Family Guy.
Movies.
Go for a walk.
Watch Disneyland videos.
Drink water. Madrid.
New Zealand.